Number 1. 1987 Ford Ranger, $1,500, Creston, California. This 1987 Ford Ranger represents a rugged, utilitarian four-wheel drive pickup that has clearly lived a hard-working life as a ranch truck for 7 years. Equipped with a 2.9-liter V6 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission, it offers solid mechanical simplicity and off-road capability, enhanced by its 33-inch mud tires and included spares. However, the vehicle is listed for parts only, with a non-functional odometer and overall fair condition, indicating significant wear. For classic truck enthusiasts, this Ranger holds value primarily as a donor vehicle or off-road project base rather than a restoration candidate. Early compact trucks like this are increasingly appreciated for their durability and straightforward design. Number 2. 1954 Dodge C-Series truck, $2,500, Evergreen, Colorado. This 1954 Dodge C-Series is a rare early factory V8 medium-duty truck featuring the original PowerDome V8 engine, which reportedly runs strong without smoke or oil consumption. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and a 2-speed rear axle, it delivers impressive torque for heavy-duty applications. The 12-foot power takeoff dump bed adds significant utility. While mechanically promising, the truck requires brake system completion and general restoration work, including glass replacement and electrical repairs. With its clean title and long-term ownership of 23 years, this truck presents an excellent restoration opportunity, especially given the rarity of early V8 work trucks in this configuration. Number 3. 1984 Ford half-ton pickup, $2,150, Prineville, Oregon. This 1984 Ford half-ton pickup is a reliable work truck powered by a 6-cylinder engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. With 140,000 miles, it runs and drives well, making it suitable for light-duty use. It has a clean title and appears reasonably maintained. While not rare, trucks from this era are valued for their simplicity, durability, and ease of maintenance, making this an affordable and practical classic pickup. Number 4. 1987 Ford Ranger, $3,800, San Francisco, California. This 1987 Ford Ranger stands out as a well-maintained and fully functional compact pickup. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine with a 5-speed manual transmission and overdrive, it offers excellent fuel efficiency. With only 80,000 miles, it is relatively low mileage for its age. Recent maintenance, including a new clutch, tires, brakes, radiator, and full tune-up, significantly enhances its reliability. Features such as working air conditioning and heating, along with a clean title and current registration, make this truck an excellent daily driver. Among classic compact pickups, this Ranger represents a strong balance of usability and originality. Number 5. 1985 Nissan 720 pickup, $720, Beaverton, Oregon. This 1985 Nissan 720 pickup is clearly positioned as a project vehicle. Powered by a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, it suffers from a likely internal engine failure, making it unsuitable for driving in its current condition. Despite this, the truck has long-term ownership history, a clean title, and includes useful accessories such as a canopy and recent battery. With nearly 300,000 miles, it reflects typical wear for a well-used compact truck. The Nissan 720 is known for its durability and popularity among enthusiasts, making this example a viable restoration or engine swap candidate at a very low entry price. Number 6. 1985 Toyota pickup, $40,200, Springfield, Missouri. This 1985 Toyota pickup is a highly desirable example of Toyota's legendary reliability. Equipped with the 22R engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, it is known for longevity and efficiency. With 230,000 miles, it has been well maintained, including regular oil changes and careful fuel use. The truck features custom paint, alloy wheels, and a practical design that emphasizes usability. Classic Toyota pickups from this era are increasingly sought after for their durability and off-road capability. This example appears to be a dependable driver with strong enthusiast appeal. Number 7. 1977 Chevrolet C20 Camper Special, $6,400, Marysville, Washington. This 1977 Chevrolet C20 Camper Special is a well-preserved heavy-duty pickup equipped with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and a turbo 350 automatic transmission. With just over 108,000 original miles, it retains much of its original character, including a notably rust-free bed and tailgate. Extensive recent mechanical work, including brake system refurbishment and engine servicing, enhances its reliability. The truck has been used regularly as a driver, indicating dependable performance. Camper Special models are valued for their heavy-duty suspension and towing capabilities, making this a strong driver quality classic. Number 8. 1972 Ford F100, $7,000, Bella Vista, Arkansas. This 1972 Ford F100 is powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 engine with an automatic transmission, offering classic American truck performance. Showing 45,000 miles, likely rolled over, it runs and drives well in fair condition. Suitable for immediate use or gradual restoration, it remains a desirable model known for its iconic styling and durability, offering a solid blend of usability and classic appeal. Number 9. 1966 Ford F100 Custom Cab, $4,000, Peoria, Arizona. This 1966 Ford F100 Custom Cab is a solid restoration candidate featuring a 352 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. Mechanically, the engine, transmission, clutch, and brakes are all functioning properly, which is a strong advantage. The truck retains its original trim, badges, and intact glass, indicating a largely complete vehicle. Although the air conditioning system is currently non-functional, all components are included. With a clean title and fair condition, this truck is ideal for enthusiasts seeking a classic project with good fundamentals. Number 10. 1985 Ford F-150, $6,500, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1985 Ford F-150 is a well-preserved, one-owner truck with only 64,000 miles. Powered by a 5.0-liter fuel-injected V8 engine and equipped with an automatic overdrive transmission, it offers improved drivability compared to earlier carbureted models. The truck runs and sounds strong, and features upgrades such as a modern Bluetooth stereo system, amplifier, and bed liner. With a clean title and good condition, it is nearly ready for cosmetic refinishing. This model represents the transition into more modern classic trucks, combining vintage styling with improved technology. Number 11. 1952 Custom Chevrolet truck, $16,500, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1952 Chevrolet truck is a heavily modified custom build featuring a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 engine and a turbo 400 automatic transmission. The truck includes custom elements such as a chopped top, shaved door handles with hidden mechanisms, and upgraded power disc brakes. Built with components from a 1970 Chevrolet Nova, it blends classic styling with modern performance. While it runs and drives well, it still requires minor finishing work. Custom builds like this appeal to hot rod enthusiasts who value individuality and performance over originality, making it a standout piece in the classic truck market.